Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will look into General Science Top 20 MCQs. This is the part 5 of the video. Part 1 to 4 is already uploaded in the channel and a separate playlist has been created. Please go through these videos, and these videos are relevant for most of the government exams. Now let's come to question number 1. The human body's largest blood vessel is. The correct option will be option B, that is aorta. So aorta is the human body's largest blood vessel. It originates from the left ventricle of heart and goes down to the abdomen. So the correct option will be option B, that is aorta. It is the largest blood vessel in the human body. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 2. Blood pressure may be increased by excessive secretion of. The correct option is option A, that is thyroxine. So thyroxine is a hormone which is released by thyroid gland, and with this excessive secretion of thyroxine, blood pressure may be increased. Also, this it is secreted from thyroid gland, and the vital role is to boost the metabolism, muscle function, brain development, and also it helps in the movement of the heart. So the correct option is option A, thyroxine. Now let's move to question number 3. Who is the founder of the quantum theory of radiation? So the founder of quantum theory of radiation is, the correct option is option D, that is Max Planck. So he was the scientist who found the quantum theory of radiation, and he was a German physicist, and the theory was founded in the year 1900s. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 4. Fleming's right hand rule is used to find the direction of. So Fleming's right hand rule is used to find the direction of. The correct option is option C, that is induced current. So this rule used to find the direction of induced current. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 5. Entomology is the study of. So entomology is a branch of science which is related to the study of. The correct option is option C, that is insects. So the study of insects is known as entomology. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 6. Cactus is a type of which plant? So cactus is a type of xerophytic plant. Correct option is option C, that is xerophytic. So xerophytic are those plants which are grown in dry regions, which are grown in desert areas, and these plants can be survived in dry and arid regions. So cactus is one of those plants. So C is the correct option, that is xerophytic. And the plants which are found in dry or desert habitat are called xerophyte. So xerophytic plant is cactus. Now let's move to question number 7. The unit of electric power is. So the unit of electric power is, the correct option is option B, that is watt. So a scientist whose name was James Watt, through his name only this watt was the unit watt was given to the electric power. So the scientist was from a Scottish engineer James Watt, and on his name only this watt was, the unit of electric power is given as watt. Now let's move to question number 8. Outside the nucleus, DNA is found in. So outside the nucleus, the DNA is found in. Correct option is option A, that is mitochondria. So in mitochondria, DNA is present, and we also know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 9. The concept the concept of greenhouse gas was postulated by, so greenhouse gas are certain type of gases which increases the temperature of the earth, and through this also they are mostly responsible for ozone depletion. So the concept of greenhouse gas was postulated by, the correct option is option A, that is Joseph Fourier. So he was the person who gave the concept of greenhouse gas. So some of the example of greenhouse gas are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. These are the type of greenhouse gas which are responsible for increasing the global warming issues and also ozone depletion. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 10. Which of the following is not a renewable energy? So the correct option will be option number A, that is thorium. So thorium is the substance which is not a which is not a source of renewable energy. So A is the correct option. Thorium is used mainly in nuclear reactors to generate the power, and it is a radioactive substance. So A, thorium is the correct option. Now let's move to other question. Question number 11. At room temperature, the metal that remains liquid is, the correct option will be option number D, that is mercury. So mercury is that metal which is liquid at room temperature, and along with mercury one more metal is there which is bromine. So bromine is also liquid at room temperature. Option will be option D, that is mercury. Now let's move to question number 12. Which cell order in our body is responsible for color blindness? So color blindness is the issue which occurs in eyes where the person is not able to differentiate between different types of colors. So it is caused because of the cell disorder of, the correct option is option D, that is cone cell. So with the cone cell disorder, this color blindness occurs in the human beings. So these are present in retina. This cell is present in retina. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 13. Which light is least effective in the process of photosynthesis? So among the following, the correct option will be option B, that is green light. So green light will be least effective in the process of photosynthesis. This is the reason because most of the plants are green in color, their leaves are green in color, so they reflect the green color. So that's why green color will be least used in during the process of photosynthesis. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 14. 14. Which among the following is the sweetest sugar? The correct option will be option D, that is fructose. So fructose is one of the sweetest sugar. It is the most sweetest sugar. So D is the correct option, that is fructose. It is the most sweetest sugar. D, fructose is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 15. The filtration unit of kidney is, so the filtration unit of kidney is, correct option is option C, that is nephron. So nephron helps in the filtration process, and it is because of nephron only the waste materials are left behind, and it is carried forward for the discharge. So C is the correct option, that is nephron. So nephron is present in kidney, so C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 16. The king of metals is, so most of you know this answer. So the king of metals is, the correct option is option A, that is gold. So gold is also known as the king of metal. This question was asked in SSC CGL exam, so that's why this question is included. So the king of metals is called gold. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 17. What wheat is a type of? So wheat is a type of, the correct option is option C, that is herb. So wheat is a type of herb. So C is the correct option. So also wheat is a type of rabi crop. So it is sown in the month of November, and the harvesting is done in the month of April or March. So the correct option is option C, that is herb. Now let's move to question number 18. Which is the highest quality of hard coal? The correct option will be option number A, that is anthracite. So anthracite is known as one of the is the highest quality of coal, where 90 to 95% of anthracite contains carbon. And in India, anthracite is found in Jammu and Kashmir and Eastern Ghats. So A is the correct option. Now you may be asked that which of the following is the lowest grade of coal? The correct option will be in that question will be lignite. So lignite is known as it is the lowest grade of coal, and anthracite is the highest grade of coal. So do remember these facts. Now let's move to question number 19. Longest cell in human body is, so the longest cell in human body is, the correct option is option C, that is nerve cell. So nerve cell is known as the longest cell in the human body. C is the correct option. Now let's move to the last question of this video, question number 20. Nitrogen in water is commonly found in the form of. So among the following, the correct option is option D, that is nitrate. So nitrogen is found in the form of nitrate in water. So D is the correct option. So this was all about general science MCQ part 5 of the video, and further parts have already been uploaded in the YouTube channel. Do subscribe our channel, please press the like button and also share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.